What up, YouTube? It's your boy JWASH. Welcome back to JWASH TV. We got a package today. Let's go. Before we get into that shoe, I want to say thank you to everybody who made this happen. So everybody who's watching this video, or if you didn't watch this video, you've just been supporting the channel from day one. Man, we have hit 3K subs. So if you don't know what it is, then you missed out on this. But for everybody who know what happens at 3K, y'all already know it's about to go down. Y'all make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on, because the next video I drop will be when I will be going live and all that good stuff. So I'll give you the time, the dates, and all that good stuff on my next video. I will be doing that Saturday. But after that, y'all got to make sure y'all bells is on, because I got a bunch of people who saying, well, I was at work, I was at this, I was at that, I didn't get your live. Turn your bells on, and I'm going to give y'all direct time and date when I'll be going live for that giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. I just want to say again, thank you so much. 3K, we hit 3K. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Let's go. 3K, turn up, turn up, turn up. Let's go. But man, now 3K is out the way. 5K is on the way. 5K is on the way. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And for everybody who bought my shirts, thank you so much. Hoodies are still in the works right now. I'm still waiting for my logo to get done, but my man said he's almost done with the logos, and then pre-orders will open up for the hoodies. Thank you so much, man. Let's get to this. So this is a big ass box. I don't remember ordering any shoes lately. I've been actually getting my shoes from Dallas, so I've been taking a trip to Dallas, and I don't know what this can be. This is a big ass box. So like I said, I didn't order any shoes lately. Damn. The last shoe I got that I remember was the Kobe. So if you didn't watch this review right here, it's the last video. That's the last shoe I remember. This, I don't remember what the hell it is. So in the comment section below, if you get this right, what shoe I copped, I'm PayPaling you $10 right now. $10. Don't play the game. Take a guess right now. $10 cash. Alright, so let's get to this together. What shoe did I order? What came out that I ordered? Shit, I don't know. But we're gonna open this together. What shoe, y'all? What shoe? What shoe? What shoe? This don't even look like a shoe. Low key. I'm gonna try to open with y'all guys, man, but this ain't a shoe. Somebody send me something? Did somebody send me something? What is this? Hold on now, hold on, we got another box, y'all. Good packaging though, whoever sent me this. Let's see what we got, what we got. Some good ass packaging. What is that? I'm trying to do this with y'all, man. What is it? They don't say shit on there. Alright, y'all gonna look full. Y'all gonna look. Damn. Ah, damn. Alright, we gonna rip it open, man. Oh no. No. What the fuck? 8 months? 9 months? What? Fortnite? Alright, so obviously it's not a pair of shoes if you made it to this part right here. So if you said a pair of shoes, you ain't getting $10. But if you guessed this, I didn't even know this was coming. I totally forgot they were saying they were sending this out in October. But the package nice though, for real though. Hey, alright, look, I'm about to give it to y'all. Alright, here we go. If you guessed the Fortnite collection of Travis Scott, there is Captain Jack on the front, and then you got Travis Scott in the back. Now you do have Fortnite on the side, on that side, and then on opposite side too. Now, living your world, raging ours. Live in your world, yeah, rage in ours. Yeah, so that is the Travis Scott action figure. I'm going to take a big ass guess because I didn't order anything else from Travis Scott. Oh, hey, the packaging is nice though, for real. So let's go ahead and get to this. Alright, it's not DS no more. This is a personal pair. Personal toys, whatever you want to call it. It is all for me. This is not for reselling. This package is nice. I see why we waited 8-9 months for this. I totally forgot I even ordered this. Just like for my hoodies and my t-shirt too. I actually wore my t-shirt for my son's birthday. Alright, I'm going to open this with y'all. My bad. But like I said, you got the Travis Scott up here. I'll get real close to you guys. Travis Scott with the mic with the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So you got the Travis Scotts right there. And then you have my pair of Travis Scotts. But let's go. Here we go, y'all. Get real close for you guys. It might be a little glare. Oh, that's nice though. That packaging is nice though. So I'm low-key not upset that I waited 8 months for this, 9 months for this. But hey, this is dope. This is super dope. I can't remember how much I paid for it. If y'all remember in the comment section below, y'all let me know in the comment section below. I can't remember because it's like I said, it was like 8-9 months ago, and I ordered a hoodie and another shirt, so I don't remember how much I paid for just this action figures. But you do have Sicko mode on the left side, and then you have T3500 on the right side. Travis Scott do have like a little pistol. I didn't play Fortnite, so I really don't know what gun that is called. But he has, I'm going to open this up for you too. And then Sicko, he has a pickaxe, so it looks like, I don't know who this is. But the shoes look dope. So Travis Scott looks like he has some Travis Scott 1s on. Yeah, Travis Scott 1s. And then this guy looks like some blue Jordans. I can't really tell you what they are right now. But y'all let me know in the comment section below if you guys copped this or did you pass because you don't want to wait the 8 months. I low-key wasn't trying to get it either and wait 8 months, but I was like, you know what, forget it. It'll be like a late Christmas for me. So I was like, cop it. Let me go ahead and cop it. I actually, looking at this right now, I should have copped 2 of them. Not for reselling because I don't know what the prices are. We'll check StockX in a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up, y'all. Y'all have a piece of tape, so if you're copying this from StockX or anything like that, you already seen how the box come. It do have that little tape on the side. Like I said, this is personal, so this is mine. If I can get it open. Alright, so I'm finally ripping it open right there. And here we go. Let me get close up for you guys. And there it comes out the box. It looks like there's some instructions down there. Alright, so it do come with its instructions. So it looks like it comes, the Sicko mode guy comes with some kind of batteries. We'll check that out in a minute. But low-key, man, presentation is super dope on this. They probably wasn't even made yet. They probably only made a few just to kind of give it what it would look like. And then that's probably why they waited the 8 months to actually get this going, because they was probably going for orders. So everybody that ordered, they were making it right then and there and didn't have all these on play. But we're going to get ahead and look at these action figures up close. I'll pull out Travis Scott first. So here is the little, like I said, I didn't play Fortnite. I didn't download that to my PS4. But that is a AR right there. It has some good weight to it. Some really good weight. Like, it doesn't feel like, you know, these little toys that you get from Walmart or somewhere like that. This actually has a good size weight on it. A good weight on it. So, and here's the Travis Scott. I'm about to grab this fool out of here. And here is your Travis Scott right here. What they call them, the T3500 or something like that. But that is the Travis Scott right there. I mean, this has, I feel like he has a good weight on him too. So it should be able to stand up. You know what I'm saying? Especially with those high dollar shoes on. Those 1500 right there. Here's his gun. Let's go ahead and put it in his hand. Come on, Travis, hold the gun, G. You gotta hold the gun, big dog. Does it go on this one? Does it go in your lefty? You're a lefty, my guy. Alright, so there he goes. Pow, pow. Bang, bang. But you do have him holding a gun. And like I said, it feels good too. You do have like a chain, I'm guessing, right there on his neck. They did really good. The details is pretty dope. Like, I don't look at Travis Scott's body, but I don't know if he has these tats. But you can actually tell the in-depth tats on him. I'll get real close for you guys. The metal coming from the back. He has those cargos on. Like I said, he do have the Jordan 1 highs on. His kind. So if you don't know what they are, this is what it looks like. That is the Jordan 1s. You know, he got his dreads. This is dope. Let me look up how much it was. So let's get on StockX real quick. These cargos is dope though. Dead ass. So this is going for, the last sale was $92. So if you're going for this on StockX, it is about $100. And I think retail was $75. So $75, you're making like 30 bucks, 20 bucks. But that is the Travis Scott T35, whatever they're calling it. This action figure is pretty dope, like dead ass. Like, I'm not really into toys and shit like that no more. But, you know, this seems dope as hell. Like, you know what I'm saying? Good ass details on this. Let's go ahead and pull up Sicko. So here is Sicko. He got a pickaxe. Looks like he's gonna be more difficult. This got some really good weight on it too. Really good weight. This is actually pretty good weight on it. He's gonna be more difficult so let me cut these things off his arms. All right, so I did cut the little things off his arms. There we go. So this is Sicko. Like, I don't know if this is a character Fortnite, but obviously it probably is. And he did come with a pickaxe. So here's his pickaxe. This dude got weight. So make sure if you do get this from StockX, it has weight. I don't know if it should be some fake ones, but this guy really got some weight. He has way more weight than Travis. He feels way more. He has weight. Like, he has weight. Like, this guy got weight, but he got weight. So he got good weight. Let's go ahead and put the pickaxe in his hand. And go to a bit dog. All right, there we go. There we go, bit dog. All right, so that is the Sicko guy, all blue, with that Travis Scott face on the front of it, like the world. You got these trains with look like fire going around the back of it. It could be something else, but I'm saying it's fire. If not, you can correct me in the comment section below. This dope ass cape or jacket, you want to call it. This is dope as hell. All blue, cargo blue, and then the shoes look like some Travis Scott 6s, but in that blue colorway. I got 6s too. So you got the Travis Scott 6s in that blue, and then I have the Travis Scott 6s in that green military with the yellow strings. But those look like some Travis Scott 6s. So Travis Scott 6, when you do drop these right here, actually bless the kid, and you know what I'm saying, it'll be dope. So he do have a chain on him too. It's not as loose as Travis's neck on his. Arms feel good. Pickaxe will feel good. Shoes look dope. I mean, I'm not mad waiting the 8 months. Like, this was just a little early Christmas present. Like, totally forgot that I was getting these. I thought it was a pair of shoes, so I felt stupid as hell. But that is the action figure. Wait, didn't this guy like have batteries or something? Does he have batteries back here? I don't know. Oh wait, it's a button. Let's see if we can see. Let's see. What are you gonna do? Okay, maybe I gotta put the batteries in. But I don't feel like taking off this jacket. But it looks like something lights up on this man right here. I don't see anything lighting up, if it was his shoes or it might be his head. His head might be the one that lights up. There's nothing on Travis Scott himself. But if you guys cop this, was this worth the wait to yourself? Leave me down in the comment section below. For me, I think it was a dope little wait. You know what I'm saying? I wish I would have had it right then and there, because I hate paying for something and not being able to get it right then and there, or waiting a week or something for it to be delivered. We waited 8 months for this. So that is the Travis Scott collection for that Fortnite collab. I think this is super dope. Like, I'm gonna hang this up, not hang it up, but I'm gonna put it up somewhere. I gotta redo my sneaker wall. As you can see, it's not how it was before. But make sure your guy comes just like this. Necklace, pickaxe, has some good weight to it. The jacket is dope. The Travis Scott 6s are dope. Same with this guy right here. Necklace, the cargos with the ones on, and his do come with a gun, AR. So, I mean, it got weight to it too, but I feel like the Sicko guy has more weight to it. But there is that right there. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below how y'all feel about this. Like I said, was it worth it? Wait, I think it was. 75 bucks. And I didn't think they were going to be big. Like, these motherfuckers is big. Like, I don't know how big they looking like on camera. All right, look. If you ever got these shoe container boxes, right? This man is damn near... Oh, you can't even see. He's 2 containers big. Damn near almost 2 containers big. So these dudes are big as hell. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it was a good $75 for me. But y'all let me know in the comment section below. I already been talking for 17 minutes. So I got to edit this up, chop it up. But make sure y'all turn post notifications on if you're new to the channel. Make sure you hit the sub button, man. We're on the road to 5K now. So hopefully we can hit 5K by the end of December. But we're going to keep pushing. Thank you so much. Like I said, hoodies are on the way. Let's go ahead and get 50 likes. 50 plus likes will be a blessing, but 50 likes is a goal, man. Comment section below. Get it popping. Y'all already know what time it is. Hey, I know I've been off. I've been sick last week, so I only posted 1 video. If you didn't watch that video, that was on the Kobe's. So, hey, Lakers won too, so good shit to them. Like I said, let's get this popping in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all feeling this or not, and make sure you got post notifications on for that when next video drop. Next video is gonna be details on when I'm dropping my live, so y'all gotta know that. I want to hear nothing about none of that stuff. I gotta go ahead and put all that stuff in the editing. I gotta put everybody that jumped in. I gotta go check to make sure everybody answered, but that is super, you know, it's coming. But thank you for watching, man. We gone.